Hi all, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we learn how to create plans for our customers. To begin with, we need to go to the customer plan section and then we can click on create plans. Once we are here, we'll see 5 setup options on the screen. Let's start with the first setup, which includes the plan name and the plan display name. Then we need to add the price of the plan, which includes both monthly and year. Then we need to select the applicable taxes, if any, and in case we want to offer a trial period, we can toggle the option on and set the number of trial days. Next is the features section. This includes all the features that will be available in the selected plan. We begin with platform availability, that includes all platforms where bots can be created. We can simply toggle them on or off. Then comes the feature availability, where we can toggle on or off specific features for our customers. We also have an integration sections, which includes all the integrations, and you can choose whether you want them on this plan or not. The next step is the features restriction section, where we set the limits on usage and access. We begin with the messages we want to be included in this plan, the WhatsApp messages as well. Then we have the team members, the max number of integrations, total number of bots a client can create, which includes the total number of WhatsApp bot, website bot, Facebook bots. Then we can also set the AI training database. We can also set the retention period and the voice minutes. Once all the details looks good, we can click on create plan and our plan is created. We can check this under the manage plan section. All the plans will be available there and we simply need to toggle the status on and the plan will be active. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create and manage plans for your customers on BotPenguin. In case you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@botpenguin.com. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good time ahead.